Hey, it's Jason here. I picked up a 1968 Honda PC50 called the Little 50 or Little Honda 50. It's a little moped. I think they were made from like 1967 to 1972 or so. And this is I would be the third owner. The first owner had it in Maryland, near Pasadena, and he delivered newspapers with it from presumably the late 60s and 70s, and then he parked it in the 80s in his garage. It sat there for many years, and then eventually his kids sold it, or his grandkids sold it. Somebody sold it to a guy that has a body shop that restores motorcycles. That guy parked it for like 10 years and never did anything with it, and then he wanted to get rid of it. And I got it. I got it for a really good price, and it's in really good shape. You can see it has the protectors for your legs from like wind and rain and everything. All of the original decals are still on it. It has the original grips and seat. It has a little over 1,000 miles, 1,080, and it is running as of today. Today is Saturday, April 11th, 2020, when I'm making this video, and it is running. I have drained the fuel, and I'm going to be parking this in my storage with the other mopeds and motorcycles I have that I collect. I'm pretty excited about this. This is the oldest one I have, and I would say maybe the most unique one. All the other ones I have are ones I knew about. I actually knew nothing about the Honda PC50 until I've acquired it. I washed it just now just to get any dirt or grime off of it, and then I'll store it, and who knows what I'll do with it. Years down the road, maybe I'll sell it. Its sister bike, the Cub, sells for a lot of money. I mean, I've seen them for like 3,000 bucks. And it has some of the same features as this, but obviously it's a little more powerful. So this is not a Honda Cub, it's a Honda PC50, and we'll see what happens with it. I'm pretty excited to have it in my collection, and maybe one day, if my little automobilia museum comes to life, this can be displayed. Again, it's April 11th, 2020. I got it about 2 weeks ago. I've just cleaned it, drained it, and I'm about to put it in storage. But everything that you would expect with this bike is here. The previous owner, I guess, had some tools that I'll just keep in there. And the fuel line is off. I reconnected it, but it is completely drained. So this is the Honda PC50 1968, 100% original condition. And I'm pretty excited to have this part of my little collection. I don't intend to do anything with it anytime soon, but I wanted to make this video just to share with everybody on my website, but also inventory it, so when I do decide to do something with it one day, I have this video to remind me of it. So thank you very much for watching.